Hi everyone. This is a very relatable and an important video at this particular point of time because I saw and I read the messages of so many students who are complaining about the same thing. Ma'am, law समझ में तो आ गया, but we really don't know that what to learn, how to retain, revise कैसे करें, how to write in exams, right? So this is one common problem which I feel that probably a larger section of students are facing, right? So you understand law, but when it's time to revise, your mind actually goes blank. You don't know what to learn, you don't know how to revise, or you don't know how to write. Then this particular video might literally change your result. I am going to talk about and I'm going to share a lot of insights, tips, and tricks to effectively help you revise and effectively help you retain the subject. And of course, how should you focus on writing, right? This is not a writing practice session that we'll have later, so you can stay connected and we'll have a lot of sessions before the exams. But right now in this video, I'm going to talk about like what you should learn, how you should learn, how many revisions should be done, how to retain the subject. Like it's entirely to make your revision more effective so that we end up scoring the marks that we actually hope for. ठीक है? तो सबसे पहली बात, usually what students do is they study law. You understand everything, maybe you've taken classes and everything, you've done the entire classes, you have understood everything, and you feel like I am the master of law, but the next day you forget half of it. During revision you just keep on reading again and again, and in exam you maybe know the answer but maybe you're not able to frame it properly, right? So you get stuck. तो ऐसा नहीं है that you're weak, it's just because probably you are following the wrong method for this particular subject. ठीक है? अगर आप सिर्फ पढ़ते जाओगे और रीड करते जाओगे, ट्रस्ट मी इट्स गोइंग टू लीड यू नोवेयर. लॉ के लिए इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू डेवलप दैट राइट एटीट्यूड, ऑर्गेनाइज एंड देन हैव दैट रीड राइट रिवाइज रिकॉल. ठीक है, तो थोड़ी सी बात करते हैं. हाँ, the first thing, you have to summarize, you have to find out, you have to compress your syllabus. You cannot learn everything. यार 500 pages की अगर book है and you're trying to learn all the 500 pages including the law language, keywords, word by word, everything, come on, you cannot mug it up, right? And this creates a sense of panic, anxiety and confusion because maybe you're trying to learn so much and the next day you forget that, right? So all that effort is again wasted. So stop trying to learn everything. So ma'am, yaad kya karna hai? You have to focus on maybe four things or three things depending upon your caliber. Keywords, numbers, limits, percentage, days, whatever it is, the conditions or the exceptions, and basically maybe the section number if you can. ठीक है, तो थोड़ा basic idea होना चाहिए because lately the institute has also been asking about the section numbers in MCQs. Okay. So you are not mugging up the entire paragraph, you're just remembering the structure, the skeleton, maybe you can say, right? If I take a very quick example of what you should learn, or a relatable thing, maybe if I talk about CMA final law students, you have read a section called as section 165. It's not even visible. Yeah, you have read a section called as section 165, which talks about the maximum number of directorships. Now, instead of learning that entire thing, you just have to do that smart selection. What smart selection? All you have to remember is maximum 20 companies, public 10, and exclusions, Dorman Section 8, right? If you can go ahead with the penalty, it's fine. Otherwise, leave it, right? Now, you have to just learn this. You have to just learn this because you cannot learn everything. In this particular section, there wasn't any fancy keyword as such. Now, if I talk about, let's say, CSR provision, that is section 135, right? If I talk about this, you have to remember the applicability. Now, when you're saying applicability, you don't have to say paid up capital or something like that. We have net worth, we have turnover, we have net profit. Okay. Then you have to remember 2% of the last three year's average profit. When you're saying CSR committee, you have to say CSR committee only. Okay, so these are very basic things, and these are the keywords only which I'm talking about. If I'm saying CSR committee, it is a keyword only. You cannot use CSR group or write something like that, right? So that you have to keep in mind. What has to be disclosed? Maybe just a few things. So you have to identify what you need to learn, right? You have to break out and take out those chunks. Now, all those students who are my registered students, you probably have my, undoubtedly you have my study material. So you will see 95% of the portion or 90% of the study material, there are points which have been underlined and bold, right? So that gives you an idea that, okay, I need to learn only this much content. Of course, you are going to be a professional, so you can apply your own judgment at all places. And trust me, when you're applying a judgment, don't think that, okay, I have to figure out that what I need to learn. If you need to figure out what you are supposed to learn, that's for your own benefit, and that's going to actually groom you and develop you, right? Because that's what you have to do in future. It's all about judgments. Okay, so you will not actually struggle in learning, then you will be able to learn. So the first thing that we do over here is we pick up a chapter, and let's say the chapter has 10 topics. So we have actually segregated. Just take one step at a time. You might be thinking that, oh my, we cannot go so slow. I am just trying to explain you the process. That's why I'm taking it slow, right? Once you start doing that in the first chapter, you might feel a little discomfort, but then after that, you will be very fluent with it. तो करना क्या है? सबसे पहले you have picked up a particular chapter. It has 10 topics. First topic, okay, these are the points that I need to learn in this topic. Now you have to go for. There are many techniques of learning. I'm going to tell you that, right? सबसे कमाल की टेक्निक तो होती है repetition. Repetition, writing, saying it out loud, saying it loud. ठीक है, बहुत स्टूपिड सा लग रहा होगा कि अरे मैम ये क्या बता रहे हो, बट है ये चीज़ें, ठीक है. आपने शायद नहीं सुना हो, बट एक फेनमैन टेक्निक करके भी होती है, ठीक है. दैट्स अबाउट, दैट इज व्हाट लेजेंड्स वुड डू एक्चुअली, ठीक है. सो मे बी देयर इज नोबडी इन द रूम और आपको लग रहा है कि आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन दिस. सेक्शन 173 पता है क्या होता है? Maybe you pick up anything like that, right? Company को 4 मीटिंग करनी होती है every year. Gap should not be more than 120 days. So whatever points you can recall, you just have to explain it to the other person. That's actually the Feynman technique of learning, right? तो और कभी भी ना ऐसा नहीं करना है कि एक ही सब्जेक्ट, एक ही टॉपिक, एक ही चैप्टर, कंटिन्यूसली रीडिंग फॉर 6 hours, 7 hours. Well, your efficiency has dropped halfway. So now you're just spending time, now you're doing nothing. Okay, so you have to also maybe interleave the subjects or the topics, whatever has to be. Fine. So there are many techniques how you learn it. Some topics are so easy which can be learned with repetition. Some are very confusing, and at times you can also use mnemonics. Okay, but हर टॉपिक के लिए मत यूज करना, अदरवाइज mnemonics में ही कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे. So maybe you can convert it into a code 30, 40, 420, something like that, right? 100, 300, whatever it is, right? Even in Women Director, मैंने आपको इसी तरीके से applicability याद कराई थी in the class, right? So sometimes it helps you, sometimes it might not help you. You have to choose for yourself. Okay? So that is the first point. We pick up a chapter, we segregate and actually decide that what needs to be learned out of all the topics, and then one by one we have read all the topics and we have learned it using any of these or one or more of these techniques. Okay? Now, even when you are learning all the topics, I would actually suggest you that you divide your chapters into 3 categories, right? Like you know or you like those chapters, fine. So you have category 1, which you like the most and which you find very easy, right? Then you have category 2, which is like moderate. You don't like much, but it's not that difficult. Maybe you don't find it that difficult. And then you have category 3 chapters, which are very difficult. Okay. So you have to start with this particular category. Okay, and when you feel very exhausted or very drained, then pick up chapter from category 1. Okay, and once you have achieved this with maybe few chapters left from here, then you go to, once you have completed this moderate category, then you go to the difficult one, because by that time you'll be more comfortable and it is going to help you gain that confidence. So I presume that undoubtedly you have understood law very well, because unless you have understood it, learning would even be worse. So once you've understood the entire thing, तो learning थोड़ी सी आसान हो जाती है, because you know why the provision is made, so you are also able to relate and तुरंत याद आ जाता है, अच्छा हाँ इसीलिए तो ये हुआ था. ठीक है. Okay, so first you know the provision. Secondly, you have picked up a chapter, segregated, decided what needs to be learned, and you have learned it. The third is the most important thing. अरे मैम मुझे, हमें तो लगा याद करना इंपॉर्टेंट है. नहीं, यही तो सब बच्चे मिस कर जाते हैं. एक्टिव रिकॉल. क्लोज योर बुक, राइट और रिकॉल फ्रॉम योर मेमोरी. ठीक है. अब जैसे सेक्शन 165, इफ यू हैड लर्न इट, ठीक है, बहुत बार लर्न किया था, सो दैट्स जस्ट क्लोज द बुक. कितनी कंपनीज में मैक्सिमम डायरेक्टर बन सकते हैं? ओके, इट्स 20, राइट. व्हाट आर द एक्सक्लूजन्स? नो नो नो, दिस वाज नॉट द एक्सक्लूजन. दिस स्टेप alone will actually help you retain the entire topic. ठीक है. अब क्या होता है, मैं ये बहुत बार बोला है, even when you are doing the classes, that the first revision has to be done within 24 hours. Now whatever is gone, now forget that, right? What you have to now do is, once you have learned, जब आपने याद किया, तो याद किया या नहीं किया ये कैसे पता चलेगा? फ्रॉम एक्टिव रिकॉल. सो यू हैव टू चेक योर सेल्फ वेदर आई रिमेंबर दिस और नॉट. इफ यू डोंट रिमेंबर, दैट मीन्स यू हैव नॉट लर्नड इट. अगेन द नेक्स्ट डे यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन इट. ओके, सो यू हैव टू डू दैट एक्टिव रिकॉल. ओके, वंस यू हैव डन द एक्टिव रिकॉल, अब 40-60 के रेशियो में आपको काम करना है. 40-60 के रेशियो में मतलब 60% लर्न करेंगे आगे का और 40% रिवाइज करेंगे पीछे का. एंड दैट हैज टू बी डन 24 hours, then week में. First time we will do that recalling within 24 hours. Second time we'll do that recalling once the week ends or maybe once the chapter ends. ठीक है, इसको हम बोलते हैं spaced repetition. Basically this is a scientifically proven technique. ठीक है, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आके मैं बस यहाँ पे कुछ भी कह रही हूँ, अरे मैम आपके लिए कहना आसान है. नहीं बेटा, ऐसे करना ट्रस्ट मी बहुत आसान है. इसके बाद whenever you are revising, students have this confusion कि अरे मैम इतना इतना फिर से पढ़े. No, don't revise that bulky books again and again. The first revision that you're doing, जब आप learn कर रहे हो, then you have to do it probably from the main book or the detailed notes, whatever you have. ठीक है, मैं ऐसे यहाँ पे अपनी कोई book को आके promote नहीं कर रही हूँ. Of course you should have beautiful comprehensive notes. If you want to excel, you should have good guidance, you should have good understanding. So all that is the base which you should develop. ठीक है, तो वो हटा देते हैं. तो यहाँ पे पहली लर्निंग जो होती चाहिए इससे होनी चाहिए, बिकॉज यू कैन एक्चुअली स्क्रीन आउट ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन दैट ओके दीज आर द थिंग्स दैट आई नीड टू लर्न, राइट. देन व्हेन यू हैव लर्नड और आप ये 24 आवर्स वाली रिकॉलिंग करते हो या ये वाली आप रिविजन करते हो, आप रिकॉलिंग व्हेन यू आर डूइंग दैट, राइट, मे बी यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज द चार्ट्स और द शॉर्ट नोट्स दैट यू हैव, प्लस मे बी देयर इज सम हाईलाइटेड कंटेंट और सम मिस्ड कंटेंट, राइट. तो यहाँ पे ये बुक और चार्ट्स दोनों को रखना है. ठीक है, और चार्ट्स में चीजों को नोट कर लेना है, या शॉर्ट नोट्स में अगर कोई मिस्ड पॉइंट है, यू हैव टू कीप ऑन नोटिंग दैट सो दैट यू आर रेडी फॉर just day before exams, right? And that acts as your ultra short notes, which is last day revision जो आप just पहले करते हो. ठीक है, high priority chapters should be given more weightage, should be given more time. The medium weightage chapters should be given lesser time. ठीक है, very theoretical and not so important chapters you can revise quickly, don't over invest time. ठीक है, in fact you can also revise it from the question bank, right. तो दिखता है कि अगर ये 10 questions and repeatedly only these 10 questions have been asked, so learn those 10 questions only. 10 questions में देखो what are the points that I need to learn, और उसी में से हमें आंसर फ्रेम करना है. I will have a session for answer writing also, which is actually going to help you design and know what it is. Of course, the ones who are very proficient in language English, they likely end up in writing better answers, but that's absolutely okay. What's most important is the provision. ठीक है, so law is a writing subject, it's not just about the memory. So practice past 3 attempts क्वेश्चंस एटलीस्ट द MQPs दैट यू हैव, ठीक है. तो जितना प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो करो. एंड never ever revise passively for long hours. Now when I'm saying revise passively, that means you're just opening the book, flipping through the pages, continuously reading, okay, I have done this chapter. You have done nothing, and you've been sitting there for past 8 hours. Actually you end up doing nothing, and the next day you'll be like, ma'am yaad nahi ho raha hai. To yaad hoga bhi nahi aise, theek hai. You have to come out of this shell of excuses, because there is a technique that needs to be followed, and if you follow it properly you will be able to do it. ठीक है. तो सिर्फ रीडिंग नहीं करनी है, there has to be active recalling, right? You have to revise regularly, because that spaced repetition is very very important. Don't study everything equally, don't try to learn everything. You have to select what you need to learn, and don't skip the past year papers, and especially in the topics which are less important, तो वहां पे सिर्फ questions जाके कर लो. ठीक है. So you have to prepare a plan. It is not hard, it is pattern based. You have to revise multiple times, you have to practice, you have to focus on certain keywords, and you will be able to do it. ठीक है. और जो राइटिंग इन एग्जाम्स की बात होती है, बिगेस्ट कन्फ्यूजन, व्हाट शुड आई राइट, हाउ शुड आई स्ट्रक्चर माई आंसर. सो यू डोंट नीड वेरी परफेक्ट लैंग्वेज, यू नीड some keywords and a clear structure. Undoubtedly wording can be kept simple, but I will talk about this also in the session which I usually keep. ठीक है. So you have an advantage, as you all say कि ma'am law समझ में आ गया. So if you have understood law, you're already ahead of those 70% of students. Now just you need the right revision method, that consistency and practice, right? तो अगर help किया है ये वीडियो तो बता दो that I'm going to revise smart, and I'm not going to revise very hard, and I will follow this technique of active recalling. ठीक है. तो ट्रेन योर ब्रेन की कैसे रिकॉल करते हैं. ओके. सो विश यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. थैंक यू.